Hello everyone, yung Mama Betcha here and welcome back to my channel. Kung bago lang kayo sa akin channel, please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell for more videos weekly. At kung bago lang kayo sa akin channel, please watch all of my videos before you raise questions or comments dahil almost all of the answers can be found sa aking mga previous video. Also, if you want to know more updates, you may follow and like my official Facebook page, Yo Mama Betchay. Okay? So, in today's video, I'm going to discuss how to boost your products for free using the Lazada platform. Meron kasi tayo pong mga subscribers na nagko-comment kung ano nga ba yung seller picks. Okay? So, before we head on to our tutorial, let us know muna bakit nga ba natin kailangan i-boost yung ating products. Okay? So, boosting our products is very important, especially sa mga bagong sellers pa lang. Since bago lang tayo, we need more visibility ng ating shop sa Lazada website o platform. Pag sinabi nating visibility, yun po yung opportunity na makakita yung ating product sa Lazada sa mga top searches sa Lazada website mismo. So, what's in it for us mga ka-sellers? Of course, if we gain more visibility, that would attract visitors sa ating shop and sa ating products, and in return, it would also boost our sales. Okay? So, ang tawag po sa free boost is seller picks. Okay? So, let's be familiar with seller picks. Yeah, may mga for sure sellers tayo na may nai-encounter na requesting them to use the seller picks, and you may also wonder kung ano yon. So join me, watch and learn as I showed you what is seller picks and how to utilize the seller picks as a tool in empowering our shop by boosting our products for free. Okay? So, before we head on to the screen ulit, may catch po yan, just a disclaimer. Ang seller picks po ay merong mga criteria. Okay? So, para po kayo magkaroon ng seller picks, we have 4 criteria na meetable naman po mga ka-seller. Number 1 is yung seller rating. Ang seller rating natin should be more than 70%. Okay, then we also have at least we should have a minimum of 3 live SKUs o products sa ating shop and an 85% or higher na chat now response rate. And the last one or last criteria is dapat decorated yung shop nyo using the store builder. Okay, kung paano natin ma-meet to, etong mga binanggit natin na mga criteria, ito po yung mga Lazada seller metrics na na-discuss ko sa previous video natin. Okay, so balikan nyo po. If you want to know more, balikan nyo ating previous video entitled, ano nga ba yung, what are Lazada seller metrics. I think that's the title. Okay, so nagtatanong, by the way, itong performance na to, i-review to on a weekly basis. So, ang mangyayari, pag na-boost natin yung product mo, it will remain boosted for at least 14 days. Okay? So, nasa top search po yung item nyo for 14 days. Pero, as a seller, and from my experience, I recommend you to update your seller pick selection every 2 days. Pwede naman po siya. Actually, you're given 24 hours to update your selection. Okay? Pero, ang effective po sa akin is I pick the selection or I change the selection every 2 days. Okay? And yung quota po natin sa seller picks ay nare-refresh din po at the end of every Monday. Okay, so let's head on to the screen. Okay, so kung paano, of course, what you're going to do is log in to your Lazada Seller Center account as you can see here on the screen. And eto yung shop na create natin, 99 Store PH. This is, by the way, the older version. For tutorial purposes, I've been using the older version and silipin natin yung new version. Kasi sa mga bagong sellers, you might see this page, itong new version. Pero either way, yung mga how-to na ginagawa natin, pareho lamang po naman ang interface. Okay, so we're back to older version. So what you do is you click on promotions and then select seller picks. Okay, dyan lamang po. So as you can see here sa ating Shop 99 Store PH, wala tayong access sa seller picks. Okay, dahil po meron po mga criteria dyan na hindi natin na-meet. Okay, I believe yung seller rating, hindi pa natin yan na-meet. And also yung instant messaging. Para yung dalawa na yan, store decorator tsaka available products, is meet na already. Okay? So, ayan. And then, kung yung new navigation naman, same thing. Punta kayo sa promotions and then select seller picks. So, nakita nyo po, wala naman po talagang pinagkaiba yung interface. Yung selection lang ng option is iniba lang nila yung pwesto, ginawa nila sa left side. Alright, so let's move on. I'm going to show you, we are so lucky that we have a subscriber na nagpahiram po ng kanyang account. Okay, dahil nga po nagtatanong nga siya kung ano yung seller pick. So, pinahiram niya yung account sa atin temporarily so I could make a tutorial kung paano mag-add kung qualified ka sa seller picks. Okay, so head on to the screen and I'll show you. Ayan, so nakalagin na tayo sa Seller Center. So, we go to Seller Picks and this is how it looks like. So, dahil bago lang po yung ating subscriber na seller, binigyan siya ng isang product for Seller Picks. So, what you do is you add product and then you select the product and click on the add button. Ayan. So, Seller Picks products cannot be changed after 24 hours. So, select OK and ayan na po siya. Okay, so that's how you select or include your item for seller picks. Okay, and then as you can see here, yung status may 14 days. So may 14 days po siya na naka-boost yung ating products. Okay, select lang natin to. Let's see here if we can get more information. Okay, let's hit next. Okay, sabi dito, selected products will be given higher visibility on search results page sa app at saka sa website. Okay, so hindi lang pala sa website kundi po sa mobile app. So how to be eligible? So a reminder lang din po ulit to really work hard in performing sa ating pagbebenta sa Lazada so we could be qualified sa promotion na to, yung seller picks. Okay, and at the end of this video, sana ay may napulot na po kayong another lesson kung paano mag-add ng seller picks and ano nga ba itong seller picks. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to put a thumbs up sa ating video and be reminded as well that we have a Facebook account, Yo Mama Betcha. You may want to visit to get more updates. I'll see you soon in my next tutorial. Bye!